What do we got? Okay, we got a wave back from a moped. Slow it down. It's not school hours, but still. So yeah, I just needed to get out. I actually haven't had my bike R1 out in a couple days now. Been working on the YL1 and actually took the Sake out last night. Threw some sea foam in it and did a bit of a carb clean. Oh yeah! God, I love that. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Sneak up. Little Ninja 250. Hey, how's it going? That's a little 250, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little one, yeah.
No, nice bike. I love the color, man.
Yeah, the red stands out big time. That's amazing. That's a 750, 650?
The R1 1000.
1000, nice. The Yamaha.
Yeah.
That's a cool one, man.
Come on, man. Where's your riding gear?
Oh, man, I used to ride back home as a kid, so I never got used to riding safe.
You know what they call you, don't ya?
What?
They call you a squid.
A squid?
Yeah, a squid. Because you don't have any hard shell. Okay, we're squid fishing. Yeah. Okay, I'm actually a little bit of a squid myself right now. And what I mean by that, I don't have any proper pants on. Usually I've got Kevlar jeans. I've even got a pair of tactical pants I got from my friend. And those will give between 3 and 5 seconds of skid time. Jeans, 1 bounce, maybe. And after that, you're gonna be scraping skin. Okay, so proper gear. I really suggest riding proper gear. Getting hot in the helmet. To me, I really like my skid time. So, can we bug him again? So how long you been riding for?
On and off. Like the last time I rode was maybe 2 years ago.
Okay.
2 years ago, but I started riding when I was like 10.
Ah, cool. Dirt bikes then.
Huh?
Dirt bikes.
Yeah, exactly. Little dirt bikes and shit.
Very cool.
But back home, like, we never ride with any helmets or anything.
Gotcha. Okay, as soon as you start moving, feet up. Don't drag your feet, don't walk your bike. We picked a horrible time. I actually want to go left. Okay, wow. Scooped by a car. So we got a little Ninja 250. Now, those are actually excellent starter bikes. Okay, I just got to make sure I don't come up beside them, else that's breaking the law. So how long you own the 250 for?
Maybe 6 months now.
Nice.
I'm gonna change it for next season.
How much? Okay, gotcha.
Oh, it wasn't much. It was basically 3,000.
Ah. Cool. Okay. So what is that, an 09 or a 10?
It's an 08.
08, okay.
08.
No, nice bikes, those really are. Oh God. I really hate seeing ambulances. Okay, don't get hit there, big guy. Okay, now I'm actually, oh, is that sun bright? So bright, in fact, I can't see what's coming up. That makes it better. But I might do a little bit of a cheat here. What I mean by that We're on a motorbike. And motorbikes can usually squeeze in. The only reason I was staying in that lane is because of the Ninja 250. Get back to that in a bit. Great starter bikes, they are. You can set those up so they'll go 110. Okay, this is shooting the gap. It always happens. Ah, little sucker, you got way up in front of me. But that's a nice thing about a motorbike. Squeeze through traffic. Now I'm almost tempted, and if this wasn't a construction zone, I'd probably be right at the front. But I've seen an ambulance and I've seen a cop, so we're taking it easy. Okay, menu. Let's just throw it on detector. Throw it on detector. I do not need my GPS at this moment in time. Let's get that squealer nice and loud. Yeah, 250s, good starter bikes. But no, this is what I'll also say. A lot of people, they get on new riders for getting too big of a bike. If you've got some type of experience, dirt bike riding, you know about motorbikes, you've ridden something, you got some experience. In my opinion, nothing wrong with getting a 4 or 550, etc., something like that. Okay. Okay, wow, this might have been a bad idea. Look at all the traffic. Okay, we got cold tires. Is that a Harley? I think so. Let's catch up to a Harley. Should I? I'm tempted. Where I want to go, this Harley ain't going to be going. I want to hit some corners. I got the need. I got the need to lean. Okay, everybody get off quick. Good. Oh, shit. Bad timing. Bad timing on my part, really is. And I couldn't scoop them either. That's what I want to do. I just want to hit a couple corners. It's been a couple days. I'm actually going out riding with Vac tomorrow. Okay, come on. Okay, just remember, in a corner, one cheek only. You don't need to crawl off your bike. Even, smooth, even on your acceleration. The big key is being smooth. Now, for all you new riders, come on, get her down. Oh shit, there's something on the road. Okay, for all you new riders, really good video to watch. It's called Twist of the Wrist 2. They got some really good pointers in there. Okay, we're getting a bit of wind noise right now. I don't know why. I'll get back to gear in a second. So yeah, Twist of the Wrist 2. Good video, good pointers. Even experienced riders, no, it's a good watch. Okay, what do we got? Is that a Lamborghini? Okay, stock in the Lamborghini. Let's get some higher revs. Nice car. Really nice car. Let's keep it slow for a bit. Look at the profile on that. Just beautiful. Okay. Feels good to be back on the R1 after the 750. Let's see if the SS, I'm not sure what it is, will keep up to us. Okay, rule of thumb, whenever you're giving her on a freeway, don't hang on it long. Okay, we got nothing in the air, we're good. Oh, bad choice on my part, just maybe. Yeah, this person's purposely blocking me from switching lanes. Being an asshole. Female, it figures. They can be the most inconsiderate drivers around. So yeah, safety gear, or no, 250s. We'll get back to safety gear in a minute. 250s, an excellent starting bike. Actually, even if you're not starting. A good all-around runner, really is. Okay, keep an eye on traffic. Buddy is going to go. It's got a lot of power to do what you need. For the most part, you can have a lot of fun on it. Believe it or not, my 100, man, did I have a lot of fun on that sucker. That's why I'm rebuilding it. Just love that old bike. I had a lot of fun rebuilding it too. So no, 250s great starter bikes, but now, no matter what bike you're riding, whether it be a 100cc or a liter bike, wear the appropriate safety gear. I like those. Those Nissans look nice. That's a 370. I think it's a 370. And skid time, so important. If you're going to hit something and stop in a solid stop, doesn't matter what you wear. But yeah, so I'm partial squid right now because I got no hard shell knee pads or anything. Oh man, that just looks beautiful. That really does. Okay, why are we getting a K-band? They never use K-band anymore. Oh, this is nice though. safety gear, you know, always wear the appropriate attire. Your boots, can be work boots, whatever, as long as they're not going to come off. This is a weird one. I've seen it happen a lot, where people in accidents will lose shoes all the time. They just come flying off. It's usually the first thing to go. So the big concern there is you want to cover the ankles. Now, once again, I'm a bit of a squid. I've actually got motorcycle shoes on. They won't come off if I actually get in an accident. And I can actually put it on the ground and skid along if need. But ankle coverage, basically what you want to do is cover the high point of the bone. Okay. Very, very important. God, I hate driving into the sun. Hard shell knee pads or some type of knee pad, you really should have it. And that's where you can call me a squid. Just currently in my jeans. My Kevlar jeans are in need of repair right now, so I'm not wearing them. And oh, it's such a nice night, just beautiful. I'm getting bugs, damn it. Oh, I was talking to Mac today, he's telling me he got bugged out doing the highway pass. That will happen more often than not. Okay, I'm squid fishing. Let's go see if we can find another squid. So let's head downtown. So yeah, hard shell, elbows, knees, shoulders, speed limit, and I don't want to go west anymore. That sun's just killing me. Free throw, okay, we love free through lanes. Oh, tempting. Really tempting. Proper P's and Q's. So, hard shells on all the joints. And proper fitting. You really want the proper fit. Nothing loose. If you're in loose gear, what's going to happen there is it gets tiring to ride. It really does. Flaps around in the whole bit. So proper fitting, not too tight else you'll kill circulation, but cover all the high points, hip bones. That's why it's nice having a jacket that actually goes down far enough to actually cover the waistline. So right now, basically the only thing I kind of have to worry about is my knees and ankles, and basically skin on my legs. Yeah, jeans, like I say, one bounce and they're gone. So I gotta admit, when I'm bouncing around the city, I try to shoot for 3 to 5 seconds skid time on my legs. Watch your speed. That's why I got some Kevlar and SWAT tactical pads. Those actually are probably better than the Kevlar for skid time. Well, a helmet, as long as it's proper rating and your head's comfortable in it, that's what you should go for there. What do we got up here? Is that a Fiat or a little MGB? I think that's a Fiat. Let's get beside it. What is that? Little roadster of some type. Oh, it's so cool. I just wonder if that's a kit car. Look at the hood scoop on that. One thing I gotta say is I don't like the orange. Okay, let's get a front shot of it. Okay, watch the road. Nobody turning in front of us. Oh yes, what does the signal light mean? Signal light means nothing more than their flash or the bulb actually works. That's it. Never trust somebody's signal light. Okay, we got a squid fishing. Okay, we're reeling them in tonight. Okay, now don't dress like that. Okay, you go down, you're going immediately to the emergency room and they're going to do skin abrasion on you. Hey, he's got boots though. No gloves? Oh man, that's crazy. Always wear gloves. Why say that? You go down, it's the first thing, your natural reaction is to put your hands out to try and stop yourself. Guaranteed you're gonna have no skin on the palm of your hands. Now this is one thing, if you can remember, probably not, is never if you find you're wiping out and you're gonna go down into your bike's going down, you're gonna tumble, the wipeout is inevitable. Don't put your arms out. I'm not joking. You're guaranteed to break your arm, wrists, hands in your bones. Cute. So if you can remember, tuck it in and roll. The best way I can explain that, it's called, me and a friend used to call it the egg roll. Oh. Okay. Tuck everything in and just roll, man. Skip along the surface like an egg. Well, egg would break, but hard-boiled egg. So yeah, Fred, he came up with that expression from water skiing. Doing an egg roll. Just sort of tuck everything. He actually used to do it on purpose. Tuck everything in. And just roll and don't try to brace or stop yourself in any way. Oh, a busa. Was that a busa? I think that was a busa. Okay, so I'm squid fishing on 17th Ave, and or looking for some nice vehicles. I just need to get out on the bike tonight. I've been too much playing with my 100cc. People are going, why are you even bothering with that? Oh man, it is just so cool. It really is. Okay, looks like we got the boys up ahead. Okay, he just turned his flashers off. Mental note, watch your speed. Two of them. Oh, we got two motorbike cops. Should I stalk some motorbike cops? It's not stalk. Try to follow them? Okay, 6. I'm debating if I turn around and go bug some police. And what I really want to get on film is cops riding side by side. Okay, Calgary police, you are bad for that in this city. If you don't know, side by side, that's riding exactly side by side in the same lane. Not allowed to do it. Hey, we got a head bob from Harley. A lot of people out today. Okay, I'm purposely going to swing around the other way. See if I can just catch up some with cop. If timing works out. Oh, an old Norton. If timing works out, they'll be finishing with that car just as they come back. It's one thing you never do is you never come up to a cop when they're actually in a current investigation. Freaks them right out. Okay, we got a VMAX. Oh, okay, I talked to that guy, his old thumper. BMW, okay, a nice black boss horse. And people are out today. A lot of people are out today. Ooh. Nice shorts, little dog. I hate little dogs. Okay. Oh, I didn't even look. I should have looked. I wonder if those other guys were squids. Okay, terminology of a squid. Improper riding gear. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Okay, he's a half squid, just like me. Had jeans on. Proper upper, sort of proper upper body. He had leather. Ooh, ooh. Okay. We got an old Nort. What is that, an R1? R6 or R1? Okay, changed my mind. I wanna get that old one. Okay, I didn't catch. I can't tell from the back if that's an R6 or an R1. Hey, can I talk to you? What is that? That's a new one. Okay, that's an 09. Go, go, go. 09 or 10. Go, oh, come on, man. Hey, what year is that? Okay, being pushy. Nice bike. What year is that?
What's that?
What year is that?
78.
Is that a gold wing motor or a silver wing motor?
So you're thinking the right direction in a silver wing, but those are a 650. This is a CX 500.
Oh, I remember those.
Yeah.
So that's a 78.
Yep.
Why did you cut the rear fender so short?
I just chopped it. They're like the ugliest bike you could ever imagine.
That must just paste you when it's raining though.
Oh, it doesn't get ridden when it's raining.
Okay.
It's a coffee shop bike, come on.
Okay, gotcha. No, I'm actually working on an old 1967 100cc myself.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, trying to get that to go. Hey, is yours an 09 or a 10?
Nice, Def.
Def? 9? Nice bike. Nice bike. Beautiful job. I really like it.
Thanks, man. Have a good night.
You too. Watch your road. Okay, now if I didn't know cops were already down here. Okay, getting hot. That's actually a good little skateboard store. That's it. That's where I bought my longboard from. You stay. Yeah, I have a bad habit. I talk to cars like a dog. Stay. Okay, now that's why I kind of like coming down 17th Ave. Okay, they are gone. You can find some nice vehicles. This is where people like coming to hang out. Cool thing is, I don't live too far from it. So I just use it as an excuse to come back home. Okay, damn. The boys in blue are gone. You'll find a lot of guys cruising 17th Ave trying to scope out the chicks. You know, kind of funny. I've given up on females right now. I'm not gay. Ooh, she's getting hot. But I'm spending all my time with motorbikes, my dog and motorbikes. Look at this, they got more. Okay. They went a half a block and they got somebody else. Jesus Christ. And I'm just thinking it's really hard to speed down here. So what are they writing all the tickets for? Okay. Yeah, if they weren't investigating writing tickets, I'd actually go bug them. Last motorbike cop I followed in the city of Calgary. Man, was that an honest driver. He didn't speed. He was actually going under the speed limit. I disagree with that. Never go slower than traffic on a motorbike. You're a moving target. A big moving target. Always go a little faster. Okay, I am just full of piss and vinegar tonight. My bike is getting hot, getting real hot. I'm getting hot. It's one thing about a leader bike, and those cops are still down there. One thing about a leader bike, they do warm up quickly when they're not moving. God, the roads suck here. Okay, so we are done squid fishing.